Roxy! Hey. Hello? Well, no front door access. Now this is what the dog's gonna get thrown in. Don't shovel too much. Leave the front door alone. That's gonna be a picture. That is. Ready?
Yeah.
Roxy, come here. Woo!
Come here, Rox.
Yeah. Come here, Roxy. Come on.
I'm not dumb.
You are. Come here. Come here.
Rox.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh.
Come
Duchess.
here, Roxy.
Duchess. Come here. Yeah.
That's fine, I
Yeah.
think. You want to go?
Come
You
here.
want to go? No, don't. She might get stuck in there.
Roxy, come here. She's fine. She's fine. Come on. Duchess.
I think their dog is in. Come here, Dutchie. Come on. Uh-oh, their dog is out, Alice. Roxy, come.
It's fine. They're fine. They're staying within their realm.
They don't have cows.
So.
They don't have licenses and they don't have rabies shots.
Come on. Throw her in there. Let's fill the snow.
Yeah, it's filthy.
Only the bottom part.